These trends reflect a shift toward versatility and individuality in tailoring, allowing blazers to transition seamlessly from office wear to street style. Collarless design are minimalist favorite, leading an effortlessly polished look suitable for both casual and formal setting. Crop blazers, often hitting at the waist, are great for layering over dresses or high waistband. Long line blazers extended to the thigh or knee offer a relaxed yet sophisticated vibe. Designers are embracing more structured hourglass silhouettes inspired by 1950s. These fitted blazers create a cinch waist effect ideal for dressier occasions. Leather blazers are making a comeback, offering a sleek, polished alternative to wool. Additionally, fabrics, texture like creepy linen and silk blends and dimension to traditional tailoring. Vibrant shades like electric blue, mustard yellow, and soft pastel are popular. These blazers offer a bold statement, breaking away from traditional neutral and injecting personality into outfits. Short skirts are making a bold statement in featuring a range of style from sleek and structured to more daring sheer options. Structure and fabrics, classic minis are reappearing in a variety of fabrics including leather and denim. Patents leather and croc effect finish are adding an edgy touch especially for fall and winter look. Balance the mini high hemline with more conservative tops such as turtleneck or long sleeve shirts pairing with flat boots or low heels keeps the look chic and comfortable for daytime wear. Sheer skirts are outstanding trend featuring light fabrics like chiffon and organza. Designers are emphasizing layering and transparency, often paired with statement undergarment for a daring but fashionable approach. Mini skirts are often seen in matching sets with cropped blazer on top, creating a sophisticated unified silhouette. Monochrome outfits elongate the figure and blend a sleek put together aesthetic. Leather blazers are making a comeback, offering a sleek and polished alternative to wool. Additionally, fabrics texture like creepy linen and silk add dimension to traditional tailoring. These trends reflect a versatile approach to styling, short skirt offering options that range from playful to elegant, making them adaptable to both casual and dressy occasions. Sometimes designers are emphasize layer and transparency. Layer a sheer mini with chunky snit or a tailored blazer offered paired with statements undergarment for a daring but fashionable approach, and also have a standout trend of transparency. Skirt with a hemline that form a V shape either in front or back, giving a high-low effect or a symmetric design. This style can add a dynamic, edgy, and touch to outfits. Skirt with waistband that tips into V shape at front or back, creating a flattering hourglass effect. They are often seen in denim or body style. These dress refers to skirt with a distinct V-shaped detail in their waistband or hemline. Though it is a less common term, the V-shape can add visual interest and a flattering effect by elongating the torso or legs depending on its placement. A huge thank you to our brilliant designers for bringing their vision to life tonight. To the models, stylists, and everyone behind the scene, this show would not have been possible without you. And of course, a special thanks to our viewer for their support.